Oh my God. This don't look good. Let's see. Oh. YouTube, what's good, guys? We're back with another video. Today is the day. Man. We're so excited, guys. I got some pictures, right, of the MC. Today we're picking up the Monte Carlo, man. And I'm just finally be able to reveal the color, the scheme. You know, hey, he sent me the picture. Then the picture go hard, but when he first kind of put it on there, I was like, ooh. You know what I'm saying? But he had already ordered it. But I was just like, man, I gotta trust the process, man. So with that being said, guys, give y'all a game. Y'all know I got the MC, got it, you know, pulled on the trailer, right? Got it dropped off, delivered. Only thing that was good was the title. I mean, the car was okay, but it needed a lot of work, right? So I did my thing to it, my touches. And you know, I might get some new guys on the channel that might not know how I get down or what I do. Basically, guys, I budget build. I go to junkyards. You know, you got good shit at junkyards, man. Stuff that don't even, you know, ain't nothing wrong with going to the junkyard. Because 9 out of 10, there's lots of people you will be surprised you just don't see go to junkyard. So there's nothing wrong with junkyard. I actually got a car from, I ain't gonna say an actual junkyard, but it was a car that was sitting up and wasn't no good, you know what I'm saying? So, I know. I'm trying to see if he okay. But yeah, I got one from an actual junkyard. Be careful, y'all. No, that dude. But nothing wrong. I brought it back to life, man. Fixed it, brought it back to life, man. Got it painted, got $1,000 in the front end. Hold on 1 second. Got it, $1,000 front end. Did. I got a lot of stuff did to it. Wheels, paint, insides. I was doing my thing. Just brought it back to life. So just trust the process, man. Just, you know, people gonna they might not see you go to these big shops spend money. Like I said, we ain't really got that around here, so sometimes you gotta make it do what it do. But man, we finna pull up now. Monte Carlo, ooh, I see it back then. So I don't know, like I said, we got the striping on the first time. Ooh, that thing look good. Man, that thing look good, I ain't gonna lie. We got the striping on. Let's reveal this color, man. I'm so excited. Super excited. It's kind of like that's what the car needed. That's exactly what the car needed, man. So we finna see what's going on. And we finna do a reveal. We'll walk around real quick. Nah, Thursday. We're finna do a reveal of this thing, man. Matter of fact, let me take this off. Oh, and I think it's gonna go hard, man. Oh my God. This don't look good. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, he did the trunk too. Oh shit. Okay. But it did the trunk too. Okay. Well, Buddy got a little artwork. Let me find out. Buddy got a little artwork. Oh, that gold hit too. So we got that gold at the bottom. But it got a little flow. I swear to God, I was gonna order some. What y'all think, man, on the MC? Thing look good. Oh yeah, she definitely look good now. She go hard. Hell yeah. It's only right we gonna throw that sound in that bit. I had took this off because I gotta supposed to be getting that system. Yes sir, man. Yes sir. We gonna hook that system up in that motherfucker. Back in that motherfucker. Yeah, man. I love it. Gotta get used to it. Gotta grow on it. But I guarantee you, it look way better. It's not just plain white no more. So I like that. Then I like how he definitely did the Trump, man. He did his thing. He good. He did his thing. So it's more to come, man. Like I said, we got the Flowmasters, not the Flowmaster. I don't know why I keep saying Flowmaster, but we gonna have the pipes coming out the side. I mean, out the back, out the rear. Damn, that big go hard. Ooh. Yeah, it's gonna flow more because people ain't gonna see the pearl in it until you actually see the pearl. I gotta fix that. So like I said, we got the gold. Then you see the gold up in here, gold. Then with the gold wheel, and then we got that bronze that kind of, you know, throw it off a little bit. I feel like that gold striping would have been a little too much. But yeah, let's go in here and pay the guy. Well, he said my back bumper was kind of made different, so instead of doing it right here, he went ahead and do it right here. So yeah, we finna go on and get in this thing, and like I said, man, he did a good job, man. I'm so happy, I'm satisfied. So only thing we need now is really cut and buff, real cut and buff, and I got some more stuff I want to do, but like I said, I don't want to jump the gun, you know what I'm saying, too quick. But yeah, I gotta excuse this. I got this like this for my star, and I put them little things on here to try to hold it real quick, cause I gotta supposed to put a system in here soon. You know what I'm saying? Definitely gotta put a system in here soon. So after I put that system in here, man, we'll, you know, a little bump a little bit. Gotta see what this thing sound like, just a little bump. Not nothing too major, man. We already went and looked at it. My homeboy got it. Not nothing too major, just some, you know, just something slight. I can't wait for them damn, what you call it, pipes at the end. I can get rid of these damn, turn down. I don't like them turn down. That be look good, guys. Let me go and load this car up, man. We'll cut y'all back. We're gonna get everything situated on the trailer. Try my phone real quick. Oh, that bill looks pretty just sitting there with the stripe. Long way, guys. Door, we're gonna get that fixed. What y'all think so far, man? Definitely gotta get some stuff fixed on here. The bottom and stuff. Overall, man, what y'all think, guys? Comments. Oh, that thing look good, man. All right, guys, we gonna load this up. Alright guys, so we got everything hooked up. Heading to the crib, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. It look good to me, I ain't gonna lie. So that combination, like I said, I was scared at first. Then once he got to put it on, I was like, oh man. I said, man, that ain't gonna look right. But it's like you gotta have some good steady hands. So the steady hands he got, and like I said, it look damn good now. So I'm satisfied. So if y'all wanna know what's the goal next, like I was telling y'all, getting the tips in the back, give a little more aggressive look, plus them turn downs, they don't growl like I wanted. That deep growl is more, you know how it is. So it's gonna be for the look as well. And system, supposed to be putting 212s or something in there. Got the radio, got all that stuff hooked up. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be able to be at a show, once we get everything straight on it. Just piece by piece, that's all. Ain't nothing to something. So we definitely gotta get a full buff wax to bring it out. The door at the bottom, y'all notice, I'm pretty sure y'all probably seen it. But anyway, the door that's at the bottom got the little crease in it. Gotta get that done. So that shouldn't be hard, finding a body man to actually either pull it out and kind of fix it. And since it being the bottom, it shouldn't be too much. There. Come on now. Got the police looking. Police looking and everything. But yeah, man, we finna go home and unload it, man. And probably tomorrow, I gotta see what I'm doing tomorrow. I forgot, man. Oh, I gotta take my daughter to school and stuff. So we're gonna be dropping these videos crazy, man. That's just a pickup video right here, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned for the actual other things, man. So he actually guys, this the same day, but of course this is a different video for y'all, but it's the same day. So he did that stuff from what, 8 to from like I said, from 8 something close to 9 to he hit me up around by 1, sent me a picture. So I wasn't expecting it today, but hell, that's what I'm talking about. That's business. So good now.